Okay, so today the food court in Tanjung Bungah just opened up. And the first stall is a combination of dishes and porridge. Sure, I ordered some porridge, and I'll show you what I get here in a minute.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So we'll show you what has going on here. They're busy working inside the kitchen. You see, making the porridge, the eggs. I'm pretty much getting everything done. When here on the outside, a lot of these shops aren't fully open yet. But as the days go on, all these shops are going to open. I'm going to give you like a can of ramen here. And we're going to show this particular food court on several occasions. And so this is looks like there's a nasi lemak stall that might be opening. But we're going to start at the porridge that we just came from there, the Teochew porridge in the Tanjung. Okay, so got the first food stall over here in Tanjung Bungah. This is my rice porridge. I have my salted egg. So this is my salted egg. And then I got like a little omelet here, right? So let's see how these turned out here. This is like an eggplant vegetable. You can see. And so, coffee hot for the morning. I know it's hot here at Penang, but I love a good cup of hot tea or hot coffee. Okay, so this is my breakfast porridge. Very simple, very normal. Then this is like an egg, and kind of like an egg and onion omelet. Let me see. It's like a coffee. I think it's like a coffee tea. Teo, I think is what they call it. And this right here is a vegetable. And as you can see, this vegetable, it's an eggplant. Then look at this. I got this is all very fresh. A salted egg. And all of this is my breakfast. You probably here in the new food court in Tanjung Bungah. Hey everybody, so today I'm here in Tanjung Bungah at the, let's see, I'm gonna get this right, wrote it down. This is the Astaka food court at Pearl Hill in Tanjung Bungah. Brand new, it literally just opened about an hour ago. And I'm gonna try out some of the most dishes that are like famous here in Penang, but are just still happen to be open. Look at the cook. First, we're gonna start out with nasi lemak. Obviously, the classic staple here in Penang. So I'm gonna mix some coconut rice here with some fish and some samba. That is so good. And then you get a little cucumber, kind of mix it in here. So this is the nasi lemak. You see, got a nice piece of beautiful fried chicken. I got this fish and samba. It's like spicy, but it's really good. The pucks. it's an egg, and then of course a vegetable and some rice. These are coconut rice, by the way. It's not normal rice, it's coconut rice. But kind of what it looks like. Nice fried piece of chicken. I don't know what they put for seasoning, but it's a low salty, but it's got just a little pep to it. And it's coconut rice. A sweetness to it from the coconut water. So I'm gonna mix some more fish, some coconut rice together. This is very classic. Now this food court is gonna be very, but the hikers on the weekends. So you're definitely gonna want to get here early. Well, egg here. I love the spicy rice. I can have mine with a cup of unsweetened coffee. It's really, no. That is so good. Even have a banana leaf. Look at this coffee. That delicious. Remember, Osaka Food Court at Fro Hill in Tanjung Bungah Penang. Come and check it out. Opens at 7:30 a.m. and I believe it closed about 8 or 9 p.m. Parking is limited. The earlier you get here, the better. A lot of the hikers. So that's where a lot of people are going to get. Yeah. Till next time, try one and okay. You get the sign. So we had the nasi lemak hillside. I got the oxen over chicken. It's extremely good. So we're going to show you here what they're doing. So they make all this soft, since fresh. And of course, they cook the chicken here. Just a nice, small, normal salt. Coconut rice. Can I open the coconut rice?
No.
We're at lots of different things. She's making the chicken, getting it ready for the fryer. So you have to come out here to get seal sides. So they have the egg. It's the egg now. Instead the fish, yep. Go. So this is at the Osaka Food Court. So you have different kinds of sando. It's all served on top of a banana leaf. So if you're here in Penang, come out to the Osaka Food Court on Pro Hill. Do not sit on Market Head side. Till next time.